to get a bit soggy and smelly at the... So today's quick tip involves one of these. If you compost at home, you probably have a small bin that you keep in the house, maybe under the sink or on the window ledge. You have to empty it often, but it can get a bit squelchy at the bottom, especially if you leave it for a few days. My university housemate, his dad, would line the inside with newspaper. If you don't get a newspaper, you've probably got lots of cardboard. Right now we've been in lockdown for 375 years, I think, I don't know. But it means that most stuff that we're getting is coming via delivery men, which is coming in corrugated card, which is perfect for on the compost heap. So, rip it up, put a small piece at the bottom, maybe 2 or 3. Check there's no sellotape on it. That one's got a bit of sellotape, so that comes off, because that will not compost. And then that will soak up a lot of the juice from the veggies as they break down before you put them onto the heap. It won't stop it getting a bit of a dirty mess, but it will help a little bit, and it helps to make it easier to empty it out. Hope that helps. So today's quick tip involves what are you doing? Go on, if you go, leave that alone. No, leave that, that's my prop. Don't touch the props. Any time today, mate. No, leave that. Go away. Go and get it. Don't even know if the camera's right anymore. This is meant to be a quick tip. So today's quick tip involves one of these. Genuinely, Loxley, this has got to stop. Oh. Go find your ball, go find your ball. Where's your ball? So today's quick tip involves one of these. Composts. You'll find it tends to get a bit soggy and smelly at the... This is a... Ow!